Hello, my name is John Wigington, and I want to take a minute to tell you about our general chemistry labs, Chem 115 and Chem 116. General chemistry labs are huge courses. Uh, there are between 33 and 50 sections, sometimes with 24 students each, so anywhere from 750 to 1,000 students. Uh, we offer these in the hybrid style, which means some of the work can be done remotely, but there is a face-to-face component that is required, meaning you do actually have to come to labs sometimes. So how does this work? We split each of the sections of 24 students into two teams. We'll call them Team A and Team B. One week, Team A comes to lab, does the procedure, gathers the data, and goes home. And Team B stays at home, watches a video of that same lab prepared by one of our graduate teaching assistants with data that's given to them by us. And so at the end of all that, everybody can work the same post-lab assignments using data from lab and either having performed it or at least watched a video on it. The next week, the two teams swap, and Team B will come to lab in person, and Team A will stay home and watch the video. That means each student during the course of the semester will study 10 labs, 10 different labs, but they'll only have to come in person to 5 of those, which makes it great on the student, and it gives a lot better student to teacher ratio. Since there's only 12 people in lab at a time, you get a little bit more of your TA's attention that way. Each week there's 2 assignments due. There's a pre-lab that's due the Sunday night before lab, and there's a post-lab that's due after your lab on the 3rd day. No matter what day you have lab, 3 days later, you'll have a post-lab assignment due. The final exam is a remote exam given on Blackboard with Proctorio as a proctor. Now, talking about coming to labs, we've done a lot in the chemistry department to make sure that you feel and are safe. We've put up plexiglass dividers in between the student stations. We clean and disinfect going into lab and before we leave lab. We have a dress code. We wear goggles and masks. We social distance. We run our vent hoods the whole time you're in there to make sure that old air gets sucked out and fresh air gets brought in on a continuous basis. And there's a safety brief by the TA at the beginning of each lab. There's also lots of resources for our students. Each TA holds office hours for 2 hours a week by Zoom. There's a help desk that's open to any general chemistry student just by getting on a Zoom call. It's staffed by our graduate and undergraduate teaching assistants, and it's open 4 hours Monday through Thursday and 2 hours on Friday to anybody that wants to come ask a question. There's also me. I'm available by Zoom or by email or in person. If you want to come see me, just wear your mask. That's the hybrid version of the general chemistry labs. Thanks for watching. Be safe. See you in lab.